Hi, my name's Will, and in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how you can make and receive calls using VXT. You can access VXT via our mobile app, desktop app, and our website. For today's video, I'm going to stick with the website. To get started, navigate to app.vxt.co.nz. And if you've already got your phone set up, you'll find it here on the left-hand side. From here, you can access our keypad. You can click or type in the number. A contacts page where you can search, as well as a recents page where you can check your most recent calls and call history. When you're in a call with VXT, you can add people to the call, making it a conference call. They can be contacts, team members, or anyone you like. You can transfer the call, open up the keypad, mute your microphone, record the call, or chuck it on hold. Once you finish a call, you're prompted to take some top-level notes, like so. These then are saved against the contact in the inbox. When you receive a call with VXT, you can answer, decline, or chuck the call in the queue. For more information around call queuing, I'll link a video in the description below. That's all from me for today, but stay tuned for more exciting VXT content.